Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to spin up a dropshipping store in under 10 minutes using Zendrop AI Store Builder. We will cover step-by-step setup, key features like winning products, and end with a pros and cons review. If you're ready, let's dive in. Now, something that I like about Zendrop is that you can try the features of the Pro plan with a free account for a couple of days, okay? And even if you don't like the Pro plan too much and you don't want to pay too much money, you can still do that by choosing a free plan, okay? So Zendrop is actually completely for free for at least some of the features, okay? But I recommend that if you use it a lot, you should upgrade it to a Pro plan or to a Plus plan. So yeah, once you click on try for free and you sign up, you're gonna be redirected to your dashboard, which is like your command center. And yeah, now the first thing that we must do, of course, is we must click on create my custom AI build store. So let's click on continue here. This is a completely free feature. So yeah, just select this and click on continue. Now you basically have to select your story niche, which in my case, I don't know, let's do, for example, electronics and tech. Let's click on continue. And now we have to select the winning product, which is something that we're gonna cover in another tutorial, with much more detail. But yeah, in my case, I'm just gonna select, I don't know, this one, for example, just to give you like a quick example. But yeah, and now we have to pick like a color scheme, okay, which can be orange, green, purple, and red. So I'm gonna pick orange or green in this case. Now the next step is we must choose a banner, which in my case is gonna be, I don't know, this one here. And that's pretty much it. Now the last step and the most important one is we must create a new Shopify account. In one of my tutorials, I actually show you how you can connect your Zendrop account to your Shopify store. But yeah, first of all, you need, of course, a Shopify account. So I want you to click in here, create your Shopify account, type in your email. And after you go through the whole process, you should arrive to your dashboard of Shopify, which is this command center here. And I want you to basically go to apps, okay? And here, you're gonna search for Zendrop, okay? So just search for Zendrop here. And we are going to click, and you are going to click on install, okay? And you're going to grant all of the necessary permissions, all right? Now, once you do this, your AI store is going to be set up, and you can start using it, and you can start receiving orders and making shipments, okay? Which is amazing. Now, one of the features that I like the most about Zendrop is the fact that you can use AI to personalize certain descriptions, tags, and even translate things to other languages, okay? So if you come to your products in here and you select one of the products that you actually added, in my case is this basically handbag for man and woman. If you click on this, you can basically select the language, okay? In my case it's set to English, but you can automatically translate it using AI to any other language like this, okay? Now let's say that you want to modify the product name to make it look more catchy. So you can just click on this button here, and based on the description and based on the image, it's going to come up with something different, as you're going to see here. And you can actually do it again, or you can revert to the old version here. You can also modify some options from the AI. If you click on this icon here on the filters, you can click, for example, on friendly for a more friendly tone of voice, and also you can modify the length. Okay, so if we, for example, go to friendly and make it shorter, let's see what it's going to come up with. And that's it. It's not too bad actually. And you can do the same with the product tags, okay? You can add different product tags using AI. Now Zendrop also offers an AI content generator called CDAI. Under AI tools, you can basically find this. It says Zendrop AI. So let's just click on it. And from here, you're gonna be able to basically create product descriptions, social media posts, and add copy paste on your product data, okay, which is amazing. Let's actually delete this previous one that I created before. And now we're gonna select the product that I was showing you before, and we're gonna click on create now, okay? And after a few seconds, this bot came up with different ads and different posts for different social media, okay, based on my product. It basically came with a banner, with some contextual ads, with a tweet, and things like that, okay? And you can ask him actually to create anything you like, okay? For example, you can ask him to create a catchy Instagram description for this product if you want to upload like an image and you want to add this description to it, right? So this is how it will look, which is amazing, okay? And also you have access to the expert bot, which is basically like a chat GPT, but it's specialized in digital marketing and in dropshipping, okay? So you can ask any questions related to dropshipping that you may have here, and it's going to help you. For example, You can say, how can I check and improve the load time of my web page? Okay, and after a few seconds, it's going to come up with an answer similar to ChatGPT, but of course included in your plan and much more specialized. And there you have your answer. I think it's pretty complete and pretty good. So to wrap it up with a list of pros and cons, I think that Zendrop is actually a very solid choice because it offers you a very rapid store launch. You can have your fully built Shopify store in under 10 minutes, which is great. You also have your AI content generator, which is going to allow you to create ads and copy for different platforms, which is great. And it's very simple, and you have a free plan that you can use, which is great. Now, the cons, in my opinion, are the Shopify dependency. You must have a Shopify store active account, okay, which I don't like too much. You have limited design control. The theme customization and things like that is very actually limited, and I don't like that at all. And sometimes the AI accuracy or the AI help is not enough, and you're missing some more precision or some more detail. But yeah, I think you can just take advantage of the free plan and let us know what you think. Thank you so much.